Hello, Imperial Workshop. I have a problem with this hilt set that I bought recently from you guys. On this hilt alone, I cycle through the fonts and it actually cuts off on the dark sword. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it on so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna power it on.
Powering on.
Okay, it's on, right? Okay, so I'm gonna select the blade. So I selected that one, close it. Then I select another font.
You're hard to get rid of.
And then within like a minute or so, it turns off. It happens on the dark sword, so I'm gonna pause the video and skip to that, and so I can show you. But it's crackling where it shouldn't be crackling, I guess. I don't know if I have to update it. I'm not sure. If you let me know, I'd greatly appreciate it. But let me turn it off so you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, so on the dark sword, it turns off on this hilt. On the other hilt, it seems to be okay, but I'm not sure how to test them to make sure that they're both working properly other than turning them on. I don't know if like I said, if I have to update the sabers and that will fix that or not. So I'll probably send a link to this video to make it easier. So this is a big file already because I forgot to make it smaller. This is at 4K max or whatever on my phone. So anyways, bottom line, I switched the saber to a different font, which is the dark sword, and it's probably gonna take me a while to cycle through them. So I'm gonna stop the video and then make another one so you can see what I'm talking about.